Hi. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take the video that you just made from Screenflow, which recorded your computer screen and audio, and how to get that onto YouTube, where you can then share it on your social media or on your website. And I have some screenshots on the blog where it shows you how to put this in the right format for YouTube. I can't do it now because it's recording, but you don't want to do save. You want to do export, because export will put it in the format that YouTube needs to upload the video. So you export it, which is saving it, in a way, just a different format, on your computer when you're done. And then you're going to go over to YouTube. So I'm logged in on my Radiant Mompreneur account right now. You need to have your own YouTube account in order to upload your videos and to get a channel. And then I'm going to go in to click upload. If the file were on your desktop and you wanted to just move this over and put your video in there, that would work to upload it. But mine that I want to do right now is not on the desktop. So I'm going to click on it, and I saved it into my documents area. How to record your computer screen is what I'm going to be uploading. And when I do that, you can see it's processing here. It will take a little bit, even though it's a short video. It'll take a couple minutes. And while it's doing that, I can go in and edit my title. I can put in my description. Now you'll want to put your web address in here so that people can find you. But you don't want to just type it in like this, because it doesn't become a clickable link in YouTube. You have to actually put in the HTTP and slashes and things, and so I just go directly to my site and copy it so that it's in the right format. Just copy and paste it in there. And now when it gets saved, it will be a hyperlink. People can click on it and go to your site. And I can take this time to do my description. Now, a couple of things about the description. If I do a lengthy content video, often I will put a transcript of that video in this box right here, which is helpful for people who are who like to scroll through the content or read it. But it's also helpful because you're going to have, by nature of what you're talking about, you're going to have certain keywords that pop up, and YouTube will recognize these words in text, and they will help you to rank your video higher in YouTube when you've got these keywords. So I might say something like, in this video, Bridget helps mompreneurs learn how to record their computer screen using Screenflow. And I could just type quite a bit more if I want to. You notice that I put the word mompreneurs in there because that's my audience. That's who I'm intending to speak to. So it helps YouTube to know that when I type the words in there and to rank me for that word. Similarly, down in tags, you're going to want to put in your keywords. And I type in the things that I know are relevant to my audience, so passive income for moms, that kind of thing. I'll do a separate video on how to know what keywords, how to do Google Keyword Planner to get keywords that are going to be relevant for you and for your audience. Over here on add message to your video, I'm just going to put in my website address again. You can see this is public. You always have the option to do unlisted or private videos, but for this purpose I'm going to do it public. You also have the option down here. You can see it was a short video, so the processing is done. The video is actually uploaded, but I'm not ready to publish it yet. This is the screen that YouTube is assuming that I want to show all my visitors. It looks okay. For this video, how to record your computer screen, it doesn't look bad actually. But if you do videos where you're talking in front of the camera, sometimes YouTube will take a snapshot of you talking at a certain moment. Maybe you have your eyes closed or your mouth open or something that looks kind of funny. And so if you don't like this image, you want to come down where it says your video thumbnails and choose the one that you like. And I always like the image of my four-leaf clover there, so I'm going to choose that one. and see it's changed there. You can see it has a warning here about my video audio quality. This is because I used Screenflow, and for whatever reason I tend to get this message when I use Screenflow. I don't get it with my other videos. It's not of any great significance to me. I'm just going to kind of let that go. I do want to come over to advanced settings because I want to do my recording date today. I don't typically bother with the other items here. You can do ads in your videos if you want to. You can put your video location, you can do a lot of different things, but that's all I really want to do is put the date in. And then I'm just going to click Publish. Now when I do this, I can return to editing if I've missed something, but I also have a few options here. The two I typically use are Share and Embed. Now Share is if you just want to take this code, this is a Facebook code right here, not code, but this is for Facebook. I clicked on it. You don't have to click on the icons. What I would do if I wanted to share this on Facebook is I would just take this web address and copy it and then open up a Facebook window and go paste it over there and it would show up. But I usually like to put them on my blog. So if I'm going to go to Embed, and it gives me this code right here, and don't be put off by the code. It's actually really easy to do. I'm going to click on Show More because you have a couple options down here. The option that I usually do anything with is just the size of the video. If you want it smaller or larger, I typically do the medium size here, which is the default setting. And then you are going to copy this and paste this into your website. I'll show you how to do that on an upcoming video.